I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at Mack's earplugs. So these are my favorite brand of earplugs, and this is a pack of 50, as you can see here. And there's a couple things I like about these. For one thing, it's got a noise reduction rating of 33 decibels. That's a lot. That's probably the best in-ear kind of earplug that I've seen. You can probably get a better rating with an over-the-ear kind of ear protection, but for in-ear earplugs, this is about as good as it gets in my experience. And you can see that's an official rating that you've got on the side here. So this actually works really well for a bunch of different uses, and that's another thing I like about them. You can use them for sleep. I use them for sleep every night, and I think it works great for that because they are very comfortable. It's not like you're wearing a big pair of ear protectors that go over your ears to sleep every night. These just go in. You can see they've got instructions for how to use them, but as long as you fit them properly, they really reduce the sound and make it easier to sleep. You can see they are, again, that in-ear design. They're also great for a lot of things where you might do a hobby or a household task that's going to end up generating a lot of noise. So, obviously I do a lot of testing of power tools and home equipment and that kind of thing. And I find these work great for that kind of application. If you're going to be mowing the lawn or doing household chores, or again, working with tools or anything that generates a lot of noise, again, follow the instructions on the side here to make sure you're fitting these properly. But I find that these work great for that kind of use in addition to that sleep use. And I like that you get a bunch of them. They're in this nice resealable container, so it works great for travel because you can take this whole thing. They're super light. Let me pull a couple out. So you can see the material basically compresses and then opens up, and they feel like they're really good quality. And I like that they have this kind of inconspicuous color. Sometimes earplugs have kind of a bright orange color or something. That can be helpful to be able to locate them, but this is a little bit less conspicuous if you want to be wearing these, while traveling, say, on an airplane or something, or you just want to, go to sleep and not have big orange things sticking out of your ears. I like that this is kind of a skin color for a lot of people, and I think that that's a nice design on these as well. So those are the Mack's earplugs. I think they're really, my favorite in terms of in-ear earplugs that are out there.